So now that we've got all the Bitfinex Spectre Pros out of their boxes, we can see that they've all been sleeved, well not sleeved, but they've all got nice black cables, so no sleeving required here, as the black should just sort of blend into the background of the case fairly nicely, and I think sleeving it, A, would be a lot of effort, and B, it would just make them stand out. I don't really want them to stand out, to be honest. They're just going to run along the top and around the bottom and stuff, so as far as the fans are concerned, they can just go straight in the system as they are. Just a quick note for anyone using the Zalman Z11, to change the front fan you actually have to take off this entire plate, which is held on the front with one screw, and then you take that screw off and you just slide it up, and then on this side there's 4 screws to take it off. So to connect the Bitfinex fans, the Spectre Pros, to the case, I'm using the silent mount system which comes with them, which involves these rubber pin things. It's basically a long shaft of rubber with a disc and then a ball, and just below the disc the rubber gets fat. So to connect, to fit these, you do is you put this through your fan hole. You see it doesn't quite go all the way down. A pair of needle nose pliers, just grab the bottom and pull, and that just wedges that thick bit in there. So that is now a nice solid connection. Put that through the hole in the case. So in this instance, it's going to go through here. So now you can see that that ball is sticking out, and then you take the second part of the mounting system, it's just this rubber disc. You just pop it on there and push it over, and that holds it on and prevents any vibrations, and by doing that it reduces the noise produced by your system, which is what we're going for in this build. So that's why I'm going for those. They also provide you with the bog standard screws, so you can use that if you really want to. So seeing as I've unplugged the 80mm side fan on the Z11 Plus due to noise issues, I thought I might as well show you how to take off this vent on the side, which allows you to take off the fan itself. So what you're going to need is just a normal Phillips head screwdriver, and we've got 2 screws here and here, and then 1, 2, 3 and one over here which you can't see, 4 plastic tabs which just need to be, you know, pushed out, then it'll pop off. What I hadn't noticed though when I first built the system is that on the side panel here there is room for what looks like a filter, so you could put a filter in here, but the only reason I could see for needing that would be if this was an intake fan. But yeah, whatever. Just so you know, I thought I might show you. So we're just going to take these screws out. Then once we've got the vent off, there's 4 screws holding the fan in, which we also want to take out. Now we need to pop the tabs. So there we go. So here we have the side vent, just comes off. So you can see the air comes in at the front here, if you can see that, and then gets vented out through these vents here. And the fan sits in here, and there's this channel to channel the air out the back there. It's pretty neat. And there's the fan itself. So this is a little 80mm Zalman ZA8015ASL fan, which is really noisy, and it's got Molex connector. This isn't a sort of Molex connector that I've seen before other than the non-fan, so it's got both a female and male connector, which is a bit strange, but anyway. So it's just got this hole for cable management, or to bring the fan cable through to the main body of the case so you can plug it in. Just going to pull the cable through there, then flip it over and we'll remove those 4 screws and then the fan. Okay, so if we just go ahead and unscrew these 4 screws. So by removing this, we're opening up a bit of space here, so we might be able to get a bit of passive cooling over that hard drive, because this was just too noisy for my liking. I'd rather have a hot hard drive than this noise. So last screw here, and the fan is out. It's a very narrow fan, if you look at it side on. It's weird, it's like a normal fan, just small. But yeah, that will be going in the drawer of no return. Yeah, I'll remove the other one now, and that should just tidy up the system, as I won't have those Molex cables lying around in the bottom. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe.